guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, aka the Brag and Dragon. As you can see from the title of this video, today we're going to be talking about wash and goes. So I made this video because for the longest, let me tell you, the longest, probably about 2 years, I've been avoiding wash and goes because every time I try to do them, they just come out trash. Ever since I did a big chop, I just can't do wash and goes. But last week I tried a wash and go and it was so bomb. So I posted a picture on Instagram and a lot of people were asking me how I achieved the look. And so I thought, why not help people with type 4B hair like mine, or just type 4 hair in general, achieve this look. So let's get into it. Right now I have my hair in a towel underneath it. I have my hair wrapped up in a bag because it's deep conditioning. But I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out so we can get into it. So before I get into the actual tutorial, I wanted to explain the products I used. First, I went in with the Urban Hydration Honey Argan Oil and Sweet Vanilla Bean Extract Deep Conditioner. Then I followed it up with the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Leave-In Conditioner. I love this stuff. Totally recommend. It's super hydrating. Then I followed that up with the Main Choice's Pearly Braid Out Glaze. I wouldn't say this is actually necessary, but I just love the smell of it. It reminds me of the beach. And then the last thing I used was the Wetline Xtreme Professional Gel. That's this big clear tub over here. Love this stuff. This is a true game changer. This is what really made this wash and go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've sectioned off a small piece of hair in the back that I'm going to demonstrate on. My hair is damp, it's not soaking wet. A lot of wash and go videos will tell you that your hair needs to be soaking wet. That does not work for me. I get the best results with damp hair. And my hair actually got a little bit too dry with the towel on it. So I'm just going to spray it with some water. And this is actually hot water. Well, it's actually warm now, but I use warm water so that my hair can soak in the product better. I don't know, I just feel like it helps. So I'm getting my hair back damp to how I want it. Definitely not dripping wet. But just damp to where I start to see the curl form again. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. I'm just using a small amount for the back. So I'm just really making sure I'm smoothing it in. And I also like to make sure I'm going back in and finger detangling my hair. I already did finger detangle my hair when I was conditioning it, but sometimes when I rinse it out, them kinks just kink right back up. So just making sure every knot is out. And then I go over with my comb just to get those smaller ones that my fingers can't get. And then I'm going in with the Braid Out Glaze. Like I said, this is not necessary. This product costs like $12. I just really like the way it smells, and it's just another layer of moisture. And I smooth this from root to ends. The bottle says to do that, so I'm just gonna go with what they said. So I feel like a wash and go with just these two might, it could do its thing, but when I add this gel, let me tell you. So I'm getting some of the gel, the Xtreme Wetline. That's kind of a lot, but oh. Y'all need to see my goodies.
Damn!
So I'm just gonna put that in. And once your hair starts to get kind of straight from the gel, you know it's about to be popping. So I'm just smoothing the gel in. So as you can see, it made my hair kind of straight, but the curl is going to come back, believe me. So I just smooth it through and kind of just shingle a little bit where my curls naturally separate. Not too much because I just want it to do its own thing, but shingled a little bit. Y'all see that? Look at that curl. Wow. I'm so happy. So just shingling a little bit, just kind of based on how my hair is already naturally separating. Right. So there you have it, one section popping. Popping, okay. So I finally finished the process of coiling my hair, shingling my hair, mostly shingling, but I did coil in some areas like up here where my hair tends to frizz up, and also in the front where my hair is a little heat damage from the couple times that I've straightened it. So yeah, pretty much what I did was just put the leave-in in and then the gel, and then I just separated the curls by the way that they just naturally clumped. And of course I coiled up here and coiled here. You can see it's kind of frizzing up right here, but we ain't gonna worry about that. My hair just is gonna do what it wants to do in that area. It's always crazy. And it looks like this side is shorter than this side, but really it's not. This was the last side I did, so it's still a little bit wetter. And then also this side tends to get a little bit more shrinkage. I'm not sure, maybe it's just a little bit tighter of a curl pattern over here. Yeah, and I'm over here touching my hair a lot. You do not want to touch your hair a lot once you finish this. You just want to let it be and let it dry. So I'm going to let this air dry probably about an hour, and then I'm going to set it in the dryer for a little bit, maybe use the blow dryer to get this dry and show you guys the final look. I'm back with the final look. Okay, so the curls came out super defined. They are popping, y'all. They are popping. So unfortunately my dryer is broken, so I could not dry my hair, so my hair is still pretty wet up at the roots, so I can't really like pick my hair out and make it big and voluptuous like I really want to, like especially on this side. Like these curls are so tight and I can't pick it out or it's gonna ruin the definition, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. But yeah, this is gonna look really nice tomorrow when it's completely dry. Right now it's still wet, but look at that definition. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Hit like if you did, hit subscribe. You know, if you want to see more, let me know. Leave some ideas if you want to see some other types of videos, twist outs, I got you, braid outs, I got you. Just let me know. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you guys can get your wash and goes popping for the summertime. All right, bye.